Well, the first time I did the trail cam, it wound up being upside down and I had to flip everything else over. So I'm outside today trying to shore up, and the chipmunks are running rampant in the yard. They're running between my legs, trying to get back on my head. I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. This little demon is playing cat and mouse with me, and I'm the mouse. If you look between the fence really quickly, he's staring at me. See? Right there. He takes off. He goes down that fence. And there he is. Look at that. Is that an evil chipmunk or what? I mean, they obviously get fed, hand-fed, because he keeps coming to me.